Welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to thread a domestic sewing machine. This machine is Butterfly JH8290X domestic sewing machine. It's almost the same thing with other domestic sewing machines. So if you have a sewing machine, a domestic sewing machine, and you don't know how to thread it, in this video, I'm going to be taking you through how to thread the domestic sewing machine. It is very easy and is beginner friendly. So the thread, you have to look at the thread. We are going to pass this thread into these knobs, these different knobs, as you can see. So I'm going to show you all how to take the step to thread all these things down to the needle, as you can see. So if that's what you would like to learn, make sure to stick back and let's thread this machine. For you to thread your machine, first you have to have your thread, any color matching your fabric, your main fabric. You're going to insert it into this place, and then first you can see my thread. I'll have to pass it through this first knob at this place. This is for this domestic sewing machine. Then you're going to pass it at the back like this. Most of them don't have that first one. So you're going to pass it like this, and you're going to pass it to this and go into this hole like this. And then you're going to pass this up, as you can see that return hook. See where you're going to hook this place. For you to bring this up, you have to wind up. There's a knob by the side like this. You use it to just bring it up in case it is inside, and when it is up, that is when you now pass your thread. This is very important. And after passing it here, you're going to pass it into this hole here. Can you see this? It's like a hook. You will know when you see it. So I'm going to pass it into it like this. This is the one that will now take us to the needle. So this is the needle, is facing this way. Unlike other sewing machine, this one faces towards you. So I'm going to put it into this. Any means you use to thread your needle, you're going to use that to thread it, or you be careful and thread the needle. After passing the needle, then you're almost through with the threading of the machine. So this is the needle. After I must have passed it, I'm going to take it, I'm going to pass it to the back, and then the next thing we are going to do is to thread the bobbin. So I'll pass this to the back and open up the bobbin, the place I'm putting the bobbin. So you're going to take off this cover here, you take it off, and then you open this space, as you can see. Then we can see the bobbin case is not there. So this is the bobbin case and the bobbin. Can you see the bobbin case and the bobbin is already threaded? So you're going to pass your bobbin into the bobbin case, bring it out like this, and then you're going to insert your bobbin case into this place. Make sure it makes a click sound when you pass it in. That shows that it has sat into the right place. Then you're going to cover up this place, and then I'll close up this compartment, and then I'm going to wheel this to bring out the thread underneath. Can you see what I'm doing? Just bring it out like so. So you have the thread up and down like so. So this is how to thread your domestic sewing machine. If you have learned any new thing, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.